Today we're going to take some very simple but very effective steps to relieve any stress or anxiety that you're feeling and to increase your sense of peace and calm. We'll begin by using the breath to relax the body. Then we'll use our senses to ground ourselves in the present moment. And we'll end this meditation with some very positive words. And so welcome to your 10-minute meditation. Firstly, begin to take some deeper breaths, in through your nose if you can, and making your exhale longer than your inhale. Breathing in your own time, slowing down your exhale. If you're feeling tense right now, it might feel like you're breathing really high up in the body, at the top of the lungs, or even feeling it around your shoulders. And so, as we breathe in and out, wherever you feel that you're breathing, begin to bring the breath a little lower down in the body. Feel your breath moving lower in the chest, down to the center of your body. And gradually, as you feel able, bring your breath down, down, down into your belly. There's no rush here. If it feels good, you could put one hand on your belly, so you can feel it rising and falling as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Every exhale is a chance to release, to let go, to soften a little bit more. Feel your body gently expanding as you breathe in, and feel everything relax as you breathe out. Continue for a moment longer. Feel the calming rhythm of your breath low down in your body. Now for the second part of this meditation, we're going to ground ourselves more in the present moment by using our senses. We'll begin by noticing 3 things that you can see. So if your eyes are closed, then gently open them and look around, or simply notice what's right in front of you. What's the first thing that you can see? Take your time to really see that thing. The shapes, the colors, the textures, the way the light catches it. Look at it as if you're seeing it for the very first time. And then what's the second thing you can see? Take your time to really see that thing. The colors, the shapes, the textures, the light and shade. Look at it as if you've never seen it before. And now, what's the third thing that you can see? Look at it with interest. See the colors, the patterns and shapes. Investigate it with your eyes. And now you're going to bring your attention to two things that you can hear. Listen very carefully and begin to focus on the loudest sound that you can hear. Take a moment to really hear that sound. And notice it just the way it is. And then let that sound go and focus instead on a quieter sound that you can hear. Maybe a very distant sound. Or even the sound of your breath. Take a moment to really hear it. Notice it just the way it is. Good. And finally, notice one thing that you can feel. This could be the ground beneath your feet, or the chair that you're sitting on, or the fabric of your clothes against your skin. Allow yourself to feel this sensation. Investigate it with your mind. And allow it to be just the way it is. Because you are here, in this moment. And that's all you need to be. For the final part of this meditation, I invite you to repeat a few positive words after me, either in your head or with a whisper or out loud. Repeat these words. I am here in this moment. My breath flows in. My breath flows out. I am here and I am grounded. In this moment, I have everything I need. And in this moment, I am at peace. Once more. I am here in this moment. My breath flows in. My breath flows out. I am here and I am grounded. In this moment, I have everything I need. And in this moment, I am at peace. Good. And so I invite you to build on this feeling of peace and calm with my 10 by 10 challenge. Just meditate with me for 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days, using this playlist, and see how it makes you feel. I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.